Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices, and I want to start with the S&P 500. So this is the S&P 500 here, and this move down through here is pretty common through the European market as well. So we've got the US counted as such here in terms of an A wave, a B wave here, and 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the third wave. The fourth wave pulling back to the 38.2% retracement level of wave 3 here, and that will take us to 28.20. The extension is in wave 3 here, the large wave structure, so that would leave wave 1 quite short. It would also, in that regard, leave wave 5 short, so we're looking around the 27.50 area here, which is the 38.2% retracement level. So this is the same for the European markets. If we look at, this is France here, so much the same here in 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. We're looking for 38.2% retracement level, in this case retesting 5300 here, and then wave 5 to the downside. So this will be the same for the DAX as well. Oops, haven't got it counted here, but 1 and 2 here, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. There is a problem with wave 4 overlapping wave 1, but I think that we really need to bring this in line with the other markets. So we're looking for a 38.2% retracement level, which would take us very close to the 12,000 area there, so 38 here. It may not reach there as well, but markets like to test large numbers, so we're looking for a little bit more upside there before we see a move lower. And this will be the same for the UK market as well here. So slightly different count here because the UK had, on the cash market, had this as the high here. So we're looking at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 here, coming back to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree, and then wave 5 lower here. So that's it really. Very short and sweet, but that's it. So in terms of shorting the markets, you pretty much draw a trend line under most of these, and when that trend line becomes the retested resistance, then you can short. So as an example, putting this line through here, a market would normally come down, hit this, bounce back off, come through, retest it, and then drop. So that gives you your signal here. Sometimes you got to leave your stop out of the way because you can get a double retest of that trend line and then a move down from that point. So leave the stop out of the way for that. Okay, very short and sweet video. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the weekend.